Today, I'm going to show you how to change your login password on a MacBook. It's super simple, and you can do it in under a minute. First, open the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings. Inside System Settings, scroll down and go to Users and Groups. Here, you'll see your current account. Click the information icon and you'll find a Change button next to Password. Go ahead and click it. A window will pop up asking you to enter your old password first. Then type your new password and re-enter the new password again to confirm that you didn't mistype it. You can also add a password hint if you want to make it easier to remember. When you're done, click Change Password to save it. If you forget your password and can't log in, you can reset it using your Apple ID or do it from recovery mode. I'll have a separate video showing that process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your MacBook password. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more macOS tips from Easy Tech Steps.